casting rings, which can help you position your boat at the perfect casting distance from waypoints, are useful additions to your chart view. You can add casting rings around waypoints on both Helix and Solix units. On a Helix, you can add casting rings to all of the waypoints visible on your chart view by turning the feature on and then adjusting the size of the ring. Press the menu key twice and select the Nav menu tab. Then, turn casting rings on and set the radius of the circular casting ring. All waypoints on your chart view will have the same size casting ring displayed around them. The process is a little different on a Solix, where you can choose the waypoints that get a casting ring, and also provide different size casting rings to different waypoints. Begin by selecting a waypoint, and then press the Info or checkmark key. At the bottom of the Waypoint Info submenu, select Full Info. On the next menu, toggle the Radius feature to On, and then dial in the radius of your desired casting ring. These settings only apply to the selected waypoint, so it's easy to have different sized casting rings associated with different waypoints. Finally, on a Solix, you can also add casting rings to individual waypoints using the Nav Data tool on the home screen. Here, simply select a waypoint from your collection and press the Info or checkmark key to call up the Waypoint Info menu, where you can once again toggle Radius to On and adjust the size of that waypoint's casting ring.